Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Before we dive into today's fascinating topic, do me a quick favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our powerful knowledge videos. Alright, with that out of the way, let's get ready to explore one of nature's greatest and most enduring secrets. Throughout all of human history, we've been on a relentless quest for materials that can stand the test of time, materials that can last forever. We build magnificent structures only to watch steel, rust, and concrete crack. Our greatest inventions, the pinnacles of our engineering, eventually succumb to wear and tear. But what if I told you that nature, in its quiet wisdom, has already perfected materials that far outperform our strongest creations? Today, we're embarking on a journey to uncover the most durable, natural materials on Earth. The answers might just surprise you. Let's start with the one most people think of first: diamond. Diamonds are legendary, and for good reason. They are, without a doubt, the hardest known natural material on our planet. Imagine the conditions required to create them, formed deep within the Earth's mantle, under unimaginable pressure and searing heat over billions of years. This intense process gives diamonds their incredible structure, allowing them to scratch almost any other material. They're the benchmark for hardness, a perfect 10 on the MOS scale. But here is a crucial distinction we need to make. Hardness is the whole story when it comes to durability. While a diamond can cut through steel, a sharp, sudden impact like a hammer blow can cause it to shatter into pieces. So durability is a much more complex concept. It's a combination of hardness, toughness, and flexibility. A material that is only hard can be brittle. Now, let's move from the Earth's core to something much more delicate, yet unbelievably strong: spider silk. This is truly one of the most mind-blowing materials ever discovered. When you compare it gram for gram, some types of spider silk are actually stronger than steel. Let that sink in for a moment. A material produced by a tiny arachnid surpasses one of humanity's go-to industrial metals, but its strength is only half the story. Spider silk is also incredibly flexible and elastic. Certain silks can stretch up to 5 times their original length without breaking, absorbing immense energy in the process. This combination of high tensile strength and elasticity makes it one of the toughest materials known. For decades, scientists and engineers have been trying to replicate spider silk in the lab. But recreating its complex protein structure and spinning process has proven to be an enormous challenge. Nature's design is just that good. Next up is a material that has quite literally built our world: wood. From the first shelters to towering cathedrals and globe-spanning ships, wood has been the backbone of civilization for millennia. Its remarkable durability comes from its intricate composite structure. Wood is primarily made of cellulose fibers, which provide tensile strength, all bound together by a complex polymer called lignin, which resists compression. Think of it like natural rebar in concrete. This design allows wood to bend under stress rather than snapping, a property that makes it incredibly resilient. With proper treatment and care to protect it from moisture and pests, wood can last for centuries. We have living proof in ancient temples, Viking longships, and historic buildings that are still standing strong today. A testament to the enduring power of this humble, natural material. Let's now look inside ourselves and other animals for our next contender: bone. Bone is a masterclass in natural engineering, a perfect composite material designed for both strength and resilience. The outer layer of compact bone is incredibly hard and dense, providing a protective shell, but the inside, the spongy bone, has a honeycomb-like structure that makes it lightweight and flexible. This brilliant two-part design allows our bones to withstand incredible forces and absorb massive impacts without fracturing. Think about the stress your leg bones endure every single day just from walking and running. Engineers have taken a lot of inspiration from bone structure, applying its principles to create stronger and lighter materials for everything from aerospace components to building construction. It's a design that's been perfected by evolution over hundreds of millions of years. Our final material is born from fire and fury: obsidian. This volcanic glass forms when felsic lava cools so rapidly that crystals don't have time to form. The result is a smooth, uniform material with a unique molecular structure. This structure allows obsidian to be fractured in a way that creates an edge far sharper than anything we can achieve with high-tech surgical steel. We're talking about an edge that can be just a few nanometers thick, literally down to a single molecule. Ancient civilizations across the globe recognized its potential, using it to craft razor-sharp tools, arrowheads, and blades. And while we might think of glass as fragile, obsidian is surprisingly durable and resistant to weathering. It can survive in extreme environments for thousands of years, a dark, glossy relic of a volcanic past, and a reminder that even glass can be incredibly tough. So, after looking at all these incredible contenders, which one takes the crown as the most durable natural material? It's a tough call because, as we've seen, durability means different things. If you need pure hardness, diamond is your winner. For longevity in construction, wood is a proven champion. But if we're looking for the best overall balance of properties' immense strength, incredible flexibility, and exceptional toughness, then spider silk really stands out from the pack. It represents a level of material science perfection that human engineering is still striving to catch up with. It's a humbling reminder that no matter how advanced we become, nature is often still the master engineer. Thank you so much for joining me on this deep dive into nature's strongest secrets. If you enjoyed this breakdown, show some support by hitting the like button, subscribing to the channel, and sharing your thoughts in the comments below. Which natural material surprised you the most? I'd love to hear from you. We'll see you in the next video.